And I used ground mustard instead of regular mustard. And put a lot of bacon on here. My mouth is not this big. So why will I never eat Wendy's? For one, I'll tell y'all, depending on your location, this is just the location I was at. Mind you, I'm from Memphis, so keep that in mind. I'm not gonna tell you which one I was at, but I was at one of them. The location I was at, there were bugs, like roaches, and I never actually saw the adult bugs. I only saw the baby bugs. Like, I saw the little bugs. They're like the house roaches type thing. Those ones. Cockroaches, I guess that's what they're called. That's first. How you say that you have never frozen patties, but you sell frozen patties at the store now? There's that. Then they tell you to cook molded food. I saw bacon with mold on it because I had to make the bacon and run one of the drive-through windows. I was on morning shift, so I made bacon all day long. Well, my whole shift, basically, to make sure that there was bacon for the entire day. So keep in mind, when y'all are asking for extra bacon, that bacon was made that morning. No matter what time of day you came. And sometimes, even if you burn that bacon, they still tell you to keep it. Like, everything that goes against my proper